Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn what does spending mean on Snapchat. There are two reasons why Snapchat appears as spending. One is your internet connection being slow and the other is not accepting the friend request. I will now show with an example. So open your Snapchat app. Now you need to click on this profile icon in the top left corner. Scroll down a bit and then you can find this my friends option in here. So you need to tap on it. So now you can find your all friends in here. Now you need to send a message for someone on your friends list. If in here shown as pending after you send a message, either he has not added you as a friend or your internet connection is slow. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.